Good morning, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. Today is November 8th and I just want to greet my brother-in-law Mike a very warm happy birthday. He makes the best barbecue ribs. Mike, I wish you many more happy and healthy years. Happy birthday. I'm here at CVS for a new week of couponing starting November 8 to 14. If you have a CVS account and would like to do the same deals, don't forget to get your coupons from newspaper inserts, CVS apps, coupons.com, and manufacturer's website. CoverGirl this week, buy 2 get 6 extra bucks. I'll be getting this BB Cream Foundation for $8.99. I'll also get this Twin Brow Pencil for $5.99. I'll be using a $2 coupon for the CoverGirl Eye product, another $2 digital coupon for the CoverGirl Face product, and this $3 instant coupon from the Red Box machine from last week. Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, $4.99 this week. I'll be using this $4 instant coupon printing out for everyone this week. Tide liquid detergent, these are 92 fluid ounce. They are on sale $11.94 this week. I'll get 2 of these and include it on my spend 30 get 10 extra box deal. Got 2 Tide liquid detergent and I'll be using a $3 digital coupon, another $3 paper coupon. There's a $4 off $20 purchase of Tide. Just the basic water 24 count. They are on sale for $2.99 this week. I got 3 sets of just the basic water. I'll be using a $1 digital store brand coupon and a $2 off $7 purchase of just the basic water 24 pack. Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer, $6.99. I'll be using a $4 digital coupon for this moisturizer. Eternal Top Coat, $1.99. And nail polish 2 for $3. This L'Oreal instant coupon is attaching to these products. Every small space, they are $3.49 each. Buy one, get the second one at half off. I'll be using a digital coupon, $3 off 2 Febreze products and $1 manufacturing coupon. Got this LA Colors eyeshadow for $1.99. There's no coupon for this. So here's my transaction: water, detergent, Febreze, and cosmetics. This is my receipt. My coupons and CRTs applied. I rolled 26 extra bucks. I paid $10.72 including tax. I got 6 extra bucks for CoverGirl Cosmetics and 10 extra bucks for the Tide and water, making the final cost at $20.72 or $1.38 each. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and food related videos. I'll see you on the next deal. Have a great day.